Hey friends! Today we are going to learn the alphabet. Look at this awesome alphabet puzzle. Wow! All the letters from A to Z are here. Do you know some of them? If not, don't worry. We are about to go through each one of them. Oh no! All the letters are gone. Where did they go? Let's find each letter and match it to its right place. Let's start our puzzle and learn the alphabet together. Now we're looking for the letter A. Do you see the letter A among all the letters? Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter A. Oops! That's not the right spot. Let's try again. Yes, that's it. The letter A is in the right place. Amazing! Look! A is for apple. Apples are crunchy and yummy. They can be red, green, or yellow. A is also for airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky and take us to faraway places. Next, we're looking for the letter B. Do you see the letter B among the other letters? Oh, there it is! Great job! We found the letter B. Oops! Let's try again. Yay! Great! B is for ball. Balls are so much fun to throw, bounce, and roll. They come in all sizes and colors. B is also for bunny. Bunnies are soft, fluffy, and love to hop, hop, hop. Next, we're looking for the letter C. Do you see the letter C? Is this it? Let's try it. No! Oh, there it is! Great job! We found the letter C. Yes, that's it. The letter C is in the right place. Cool! Look, C is for cat. Cats are furry friends that love to purr and play. They can be cuddly and curious. C is also for car. Cars go vroom vroom and take us to many places. Some are big and some are small. Next, we're looking for the letter D. Do you see the letter D among the others? Is this it? Great job! We found the letter D. Yes, that's it. The letter D is in the right place. Delightful! Look, D is for dog. Dogs are loyal, playful, and love to wag their tails. They make great friends. D is also for duck. Ducks have webbed feet and love to swim. They say quack, quack. Next, we're looking for the letter E. Do you see the letter E? Is this it? Let's try it. No, let's try again. Oh, there it is. We found it. The letter E is in the right place. Excellent. Look, E is for elephant. Elephants are big, gentle animals with long trunks. They love to splash in water. E is also for eggs. Eggs are smooth and oval. Baby birds and other animals can hatch from them. Next, we're looking for the letter F. Do you see the letter F among the rest? Is this it? Let's try it. Yes, that's it. The letter F is in the right place. Look, F is for fish. Fish live in water and swim with their fins. Some are colorful and some have shiny scales. F is also for frog. Frogs hop and leap and love to sit near ponds. They say, ribbit, ribbit. Next, we're looking for the letter G. Do you see the letter G? Is this it? No, that's not the right letter. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter G. Yes, that's it. The letter G is in the right place. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals with long necks. They love to eat leaves from tall trees. G is also for guitar. Guitars make music when we strum their strings. Next, we're looking for the letter H. Do you see the letter H? Is this it? No! Let's try to find the right one. Oh, there it is! Great job! We found it. The letter H is in the right place. Hooray! Look! H is for house. Houses are where we live. They keep us warm and cozy with lots of rooms. H is also for hippo. Hippos are big, heavy animals that love to swim in rivers. Next, we're looking for the letter I. Do you see the letter I? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter I. The letter I is in the right place. Look, I is for iguana. Iguanas are green lizards with long tails. They love to sunbathe on rocks. I is also for igloo. Igloos are houses made of ice and snow. They are built in very cold places. Next, we're looking for the letter J. Do you see the letter J? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter J. The letter J is in the right place. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the ocean and have long wiggly tentacles. J is also for jump. Jumping is so much fun. We can jump high like kangaroos or low like little frogs. Next, we're looking for the letter K. Do you see the letter K? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter K. The letter K is in the right place. Look, K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and love to hop. They carry their babies in a pouch. K is also for keys. Keys help us open doors, start cars, and unlock treasures. Next, we're looking for the letter L. Do you see the letter L? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter L. The letter L is in the right place. Look, L is for lion. Lions are big cats with loud roars. They are known as the kings of the jungle. L is also for leaf. Leaves grow on trees and plants. They can be green, yellow, red, or orange. Next, we're looking for the letter M. Do you see the letter M? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found the letter M. The letter M is in the right place. Marvelous. Look, M is for monkey. Monkeys are playful and love to swing from trees. They like to eat bananas. M is also for milk. Milk is a tasty drink that helps us grow strong. We can drink it plain or put it in cereal. Next, we're looking for the letter N. Do you see the letter N? Oh, there it is. Great job. We found it. The letter N is in the right place. N is for nest. Nests are cozy homes that birds build with twigs and leaves. They keep baby birds safe. N is also for nose. Our noses help us smell flowers, yummy food, and fresh air. We also use them to breathe. Next, we're looking for the letter O. Do you see the letter O? Is this it? Oops, that's not the right spot. Let's try again. Oh, there it is. Great job. We found it. The letter O is in the right place. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy fruits that are full of vitamin C. They can be sweet and tangy. O is also for octopus. Octopuses live in the ocean and have 8 long arms. They are smart and can change colors. Next, we're looking for the letter P. Do you see the letter P? Oh, there it is! Great job! We found it. The letter P is in the right place. P is for panda. Pandas are black and white bears that love to eat bamboo. They are gentle and cuddly. P is also for pig. Pigs like to roll in the mud to stay cool. They say oink, oink, and are very smart. Next, we're looking for the letter Q. Do you see the letter Q? Yes! There it is. Great job. We found the letter Q on the first try. Let's put it in the right spot. Yes, it fits perfectly. Quite amazing. Q is for quilt. Quilts are warm blankets made of many colourful pieces. They keep us cozy at night. Q is also for quack, quack. That's the sound a duck makes. Next, we're looking for the letter R. Do you see the letter R? Is this it? Oh no, close, but not quite. Let's keep looking. There it is, the letter R. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. R is for rainbow. Rainbows have beautiful colors like red, yellow, and blue. They show up after the rain. R is also for rock. Rocks can be big or small, smooth or rough. You can find them outside on the ground. Next, we're looking for the letter S. Do you see the letter S? Is this it? Oh no, not quite. Let's keep searching. There it is! The letter S. Great job! Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. Super! Is for sun. The sun is bright and shiny and keeps us warm. It helps plants grow too. S is also for star. Stars twinkle in the night sky. Some are big and some are tiny. Next, we're looking for the letter T. Do you see the letter T? Is this it? Oh no, not the right one. Let's keep looking. There it is, the letter T. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. Terrific. T is for turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them. They can swim and walk. T is also for tree. Trees are tall and strong. They give us shade, fresh air, and homes for animals. Next, we're looking for the letter U. Do you see the letter U? Is this it? Oh no, not the right one. Let's try again. Maybe this one? Nope. Let's keep searching. There it is, the letter U. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry when it rains. They can be all sorts of colors. U is also for unicorn. Unicorns are magical horses with a horn on their heads. Next, we're looking for the letter V. Do you see the letter V? Is this it? Oh no, not quite. Let's keep searching. There it is, the letter V. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. V is for violin. Violins make beautiful music when we play their strings with a bow. V is also for van. Vans are big cars that carry lots of people or things. Next, we're looking for the letter W. Do you see the letter W? Is this it? Oh no, not quite. Let's keep searching. There it is, the letter W. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They sing beautiful songs underwater. W is also for water. We drink water to stay healthy, and it fills rivers, lakes, and oceans. Next, we're looking for the letter X. Do you see the letter X? Is this it? Oh, not quite. Let's keep searching. There it is, the letter X. Great job. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's in the right place. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bars. When you tap the bars, it makes happy sounds. Mexi, we're looking for the letter Y. Do you see the letter Y? Yes! There it is! We found the letter Y on the first try. Yay! We is for yellow. Yellow is a bright sunny color, like the sun and bananas. I is also for yak. Yaks are big furry animals that live in cold, snowy mountains. Next, we're looking for the letter Z. Do you see the letter Z? Yes! There it is! We found the letter Z on the first try. Let's put it in the right spot. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and each zebra's stripes are unique. Z is also for zoo. Zoos are places where we can see animals from all around the world and learn about them. Great job, everyone! We learned all the letters from A to Z. You did amazing work finding each letter and learning fun words. Thanks for playing and learning with us today. See you next time!